Alright, this is how to screen crypto or cryptocurrencies online, full guide / tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
I'll try to keep it simplified as much as I can, showing you different websites. The first website is called bitscreener.com. As you can see, this is a crypto or cryptocurrency screener, and you can see a list of whole different cryptocurrencies. Let's say we were to click on this one right here, which is a Shiba Inu, pretty famous meme coin. As you can see here, this is Shiba Inu. It will tell you the total supply and everything, and it will even tell you the exchanges. But we want to go over to Dex Screener, and we want to type in, let's say, Shiba Inu, and this is a cryptocurrency website scanner, because if we were to click on, let's say, Shiba or SHIB, it's actually on ETH. So now you are basically able to see here on the right hand screen, if we were to scroll down, the issues, if there are any issues, the token sniffer, another website, and you can even click this and see what the potential issues and harms are. This website even allows you to click on the third option, which says holders. If we were to scroll up here, you can see how many holders hold Shiba Inu. As far as the percentage, 41% is not good, because price can dump very quickly, like we see right here. The next website is Crypto Bubbles. It is a little bit of a cryptocurrency screener, but basically it just shows the gains of the cryptocurrencies for, let's say, the year, the month, the week, etc. And then if you go to Token Sniffer, this is the real cryptocurrency screener that you've all been waiting for. Because if we go back to Dex Screener, and if we were to scroll on the top right hand screen, you click this right here, you can copy the address next to the ticker symbol, go to Token Sniffer, and then paste this address, click enter on your keyboard, and basically you will see here that we can sniff out this token, and we're able to find out the score, because this is an ETH cryptocurrency, and this will tell you whether this is a legitimate or a non-legitimate cryptocurrency project completely for free. You can even go to Bubble Maps, and you can go to the top right hand screen and paste the address of Shiba Inu or the cryptocurrency that you would like. And as you can see, there are a couple bubbles. You click on it, and it says that 3.8% is holding the supply of Shiba Inu. You can click on wallet lists on the top right hand screen. You can take a look at all the cryptocurrency wallets that hold the cryptocurrency. And again, 40% is a pretty big red flag. Back to Token Sniffer, Shiba Inu it's saying it's a 70 out of 100% on this ranking system. You can see here of the different details, completely for free.